Look, ultimately, the reason we collect emails from people, because there is money inside it. People will give us money. They send us. That's how we sell, through emails. This was stupid. I'm broke. This was savings from 2019 for my wedding in 2029. I don't know how to use email. Please help me. There is everywhere monkeys in NFTs, in like Neuralinks, in this Mailchimp monkey thing. There's this ConvertKit. There's like Flowdesk. There's Squarespace. Take me to space. And there is Jabby Girl thing. Oh my god. There's so many different tools. I don't know. I'm overwhelmed. Please help me. Should we even use email? Everyone say, look, email is the business. Look, you don't own social media. You own your audience on email. Like, I don't get it. What do you mean? What do you mean I don't own them? Well, yeah, I understand. I don't own them even in email. Nobody owns them. They're just people. They own themselves. You should at least explain that on social media, there is potential, there is a big chance my accounts will get deleted or will get hacked. But also can happen the same in email. I can lose my accounts. I can get hacked. I forget my email. I don't even remember what's in my email. Actually, just like 2 days ago, I didn't use the email. Oh, well, I have it, but it was filled with space completely. 15 gigabytes. There was a file, 14.7 gigabytes. I don't even understand what is the file about. But yep, I deleted the file. And now I have space. I'm back. I'm gonna use email. Does Gen Z even use email? I don't know. But they still told us, you should use email, that's how you build a business. It's email, it's what you own, it's all of the big assets. Okay, I'm convinced. I want to build an email list. I heard that. So Twitter actually have one of the highest click-through rates when it comes to asking people to join and subscribe to the email list. Trust me, it's coming from someone who doesn't have both, not Twitter, not email list. I feel like just Twitter hiding my face with one wing, flying away with the other wings. Hey, but trust me, it's coming from a trustworthy source. His name is Justin Willish, and he's very good with email, LinkedIn, newsletter, and Twitter, and all the other stuff. You just check it. Don't tell him I mentioned him. So other ways to grow your email list is to provide value, as they say, give them something free, but it should be worth it. It should be like, you should have sell the thing, but you're not going to sell it for money. You're going to sell it for the email. You're going to ask them, instead of paying me money, you just pay me with your email. Okay, you don't have to use this exact sentence. This is my way of thinking, but you can just ask them, download this free book, download this free course, get this thing, and in there, they're going to give you email. You can have this stuff. You can do giveaway. That's a good idea to grow your email list. But again, all of this does not make any sense if we don't know which tool we should use. That's what I'm looking for. What is the best tool that will stay with me as I grow the email list, that I don't need to pay a lot, that I need to start for free. I'm not broke. Yeah. What I was gonna say. And this tool need to have all of the analytics stuff. I can check the open rates, the click-through rates, the filter through different categories. You understand the stuff? Please help me. I want to fathom. So here's what I'm asking. I'm asking you, if you are a creator, if you have an email or something, I want you to record for me. Click that clipping session in YouTube and just record for me a vertical video and show me behind the scenes, maybe background. Use that, or show me with your phone. Record for me the software you're using, the tool, how you're using it. And if you don't want to do this, just write in the if you don't want to do this, just write in the comments the pros, the cons, the good stuff, the bad stuff about the software that you're using and why you recommend it to me. That's all. Thank you. I'm afraid if this is good, right? And we think I'm rich. No, I'm not. I'm broke. Give me a link. Give me an email. I'm broke. I'll put the link. You click. You give me email. When I figure out how to do emails.